everyone. Good morning, everyone. Here's a boy DJ Angel Production from Mozambique. I do have my tutorial here. I want to show you my ideas and tips which I use within this instrumental. So, I would like if you're new here, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post new videos, you will be the first one to be notified. So, these types of music is made in Zimbabwe with MATHIAS MHERE, who is the most famous singers in Zimbabwe. When we are talking about gospel, he's the one who makes gospels, something like that. But there's one of my friend who lives there in Zimbabwe who asked me that DJ Angel, how I can make instrumentals like that of MATHIAS MHERE, and I asked him to send me some of his beats so that I can hear and do my instrumental. So pay attention. This is not his instrumental. This is my instrumental. But I want to make you understand that these types of instrumental is made from the inspiration of him. Many people made many people make these types of instrumental because they first of all heard his music. So I also heard his music. I listened to his music. So I made also my instrumental. So today I'm going to start from the kicks. After the drums, I will enter into the melody sections. You will see everything that I did in this instrumental. So without talking too much, let us enter in the drum section. So here the drums. We do have the kick. After the kick, we have the snare. We have the tom. We have the clap, and we have the hi-hat. Let us play to see. And after that, I played organ from this program, which is Mhere-Munongotichengeta. After that, I played, I think I played this bass guitar. I used the pitch. You know, most of the times I like to use pitch bend to make my melody sounds much more professional. So after the bass guitar, I played the strings. These strings I draw it from this combinator, which is a Tori. I use the two-bear X-Rise, something like that. Two-bear X-Rise. And after that, I played this melody here. And after that, I used the L piano, and I draw with this melody there. They are beautiful melody. Okay, after this melody, I also made a pass cop of the strings, which I show with you here. And I had to pass them here down below. Okay, after that I had to draw another melody. Let me show you here. Okay, here are the melodies. I draw it in this plugin. And I had also to draw another melody here. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let us hear the entire beat to hear how it sounds, something like that. Let me show you the presets. We have here organ, perk, we have here tuber, X-Rise, we have bass guitar, we have marimba, we have El piano, we have sax, something like that. As I show with you, we do have marimba here. No. Here we do have marimba. Okay, let us play the entire beat. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.